Well, then good morning, guys. So I hope that you are all well and safe at home, and try to stay inside home because it's pandemic outside, and it's not only for your own health but also for the safety of your family. So stay inside and stay healthy. Well, let's start with the today's topic. Today's topic is about the 3 best methods to improve reading at home. Actually, these are those methods which I applied by my own self during my preparation time. So yeah, these are quite fruitful as I achieved 9 bands during my own examination time. Well, let's begin with the today's class without any further delay. So first tip is to manage your reading time. Yes, reading passage time, you have to manage that up. You have to manage so that you'll be able to read whole of the passage in just 7 to 8 minutes. Why? Because in the examination time we have only 60 minutes and 80% of the students are not able to complete around 5 questions of their reading because of the float time management. So to solve that problem, you have to increase your reading speed. How can you increase it? Just simply read some of the newspaper as well as some of the novels, or just watch some of the ebooks. Well, there are a lot of ebooks on the internet which you can download for free. So try to read them up and try to make it interesting for your own self. And if you are doing the reading practice at home, do not take the 60 minutes which you spend at home as equal to the 60 minutes which are going to be spent at the examination hall. Why? Because time is relative. Time relative होता है. अगर आप घर के अंदर 60 मिनट्स के अंदर अपने तीनों पैसे सोल्व कर पा रहे हो तो एग्जामिनेशन के अंदर आपको 60 मिनट से ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा, क्योंकि वहां पर टाइम जल्दी बीतता है. लेट मी गिव ए सिंपल एग्जांपल. व्हेनेवर यू वॉच अ मूवी, the movie is all 3 hours long, but that time goes in a second. But during the cue card, when you have to speak for 2 minutes continuously on a topic, that time feels like hours. You are speaking for hours and hours and still the time is going on. So तुसी उन example देख सकते हो कि कैसे time relative होता है. So in the examination, why the time goes fastly? Well, first of all, in the examination, you are out of your comfort zone. At home, you are sitting comfortably. You do not have any kind of stress regarding your examination seat or the students which are around you. But in the hall, there are 500 to 600 students which are sitting there simultaneously with you, and you also have the stress of your friends about your band score, your required band score, the stress if the exam is going to be tough or not. So yeah, your mind is occupied with a lot of stuff, and that makes the time goes quite fastly. When our mind is occupied with a lot of stuff of around or of our surroundings, the time just goes in a swift, and that's what make you lose your precious time in just overthinking. That is why if you are going to practice at home, try to manage the time so that you are able to complete your reading in just 40 minutes. If you are able to complete your reading in 40 minutes at home, then you can think that you'll be able to complete your reading in the examination hall in 55 to 60 minutes. Well, if you want to increase the range a bit more, try to solve the reading in just 45 to 50 minutes, but no more than that, because time is subjective and relative. Well, for the tip number 2, I am going to suggest a simple technique, that is to emphasize more on the question instead of the paragraph. Well, that is quite an obvious and a general technique, but still, most of the students overlook this technique. They still read the passage whole, then come to the question. Well, that is flawed. Why? Because 80% of the content of the paragraph is a waste of time. If you are going to read the whole of the paragraph and then the question, you will be able to solve the first passage easily and perhaps the second passage, but at the time you are reaching at the third passage, your mind would be so much tired that you will not be able to concentrate properly on the third passage, and that is what happened with the 60% of the student in the examination. आपको भी पता होगा कि कई सारे स्टूडेंट होते हैं जो लास्ट पैसेज तक पहुंचते कहते हैं कि यार मुझे तो गैसिंग करनी पड़ी, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था. क्यों होता है? बिकॉज अब माइंड इज टायर्ड. आप सारा ही इतना ज्यादा पढ़ चुके होते पहले ही कि उस टाइम पे पहुंचते हमें कुछ समझ नहीं आता. उस टाइम पे हमें नींद आ रही होती है. Do believe me, I have seen a lot of students which sleep during the third passage. They just feel to take a slumber instead of solving their paper. So yeah, we do not want to commit that mistake, and that is why just try to understand the question. Question को जब understand करना है, try to figure out what the examiner is asking from you. If they're asking for some kind of noun or some kind of verb or adverb or some kind of time period, that you have to figure out first of all. कि अगर हमने answer के किसी चीज का नाम बताना है, कोई लोकेशन बतानी है, कोई टाइम पीरियड बताना है और क्या बताना है, सबसे पहले ये समझो. देन कम टू द पैराग्राफ एंड दैट वुड बी क्वाइट इजी फॉर यू if you are following the first step. If you had increased your reading speed, then that will be quite fruitful for you. Now let's come to the third tip. That's the most important tip of the reading, and that is to learn the new words. Yes, that is correct, to increase your vocabulary. 90% of the students face a single problem in the reading. They do not know the meaning of the words. Now obviously we cannot remember all of the words of the English language. There are around billions of words, but still all of the words which come into the reading passage are academic, and there are around thousands of words which are going to repeat again and again. So I suggest you to just underline the words and try to write it on the copy as I mentioned in the previous video. So by this method you see that you will find some of the unfamiliar words for the first 2 or 3 weeks. पहले 2 और 3 हफ्तों तक तुम्हें नए वर्ड मिलेंगे, but after the 3 weeks you'll see that words are going to be repeated into the passage again and again. वही repeat हो जाएंगे वर्ड जो आपने पहले उनका आंसर देखा होगा. So that would be beneficial not only for the reading but also for the listening, but also for the writing as well as for the speaking. So yeah, the vocabulary, which is a fundamental of any language, is also quite beneficial and essential for the reading tip. So these are the 3 tips of the reading. I hope that you like this video, and if you like this video please subscribe and give me a like. If you find any kind of problem or any kind of doubt in your mind, do mention in the comments below. और अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो then try to share it with your friends. Well then, thank you and that's sign off.